Hello. You're looking for ISO and SOC2 and you don't know how to start. So let's try to clarify the first step here today. What you need to do to get a SOC2 or ISO. Okay, so you plan to get a SOC2 or ISO. For any reason, you decide, I want to get a SOC2 or ISO 27000. What's the first step that you need to do? The first step is very simple, but make a lot of difference in your journey, how you start your journey. And the first step is this. You need to decide how do you want to get the certification, what that means. Basically, you have three options. Option number one, you do by yourself. So if you do by yourself, the best part of do yourself is cheap, right? It's only your time. But if you flip the coin here, you definitely need to invest your time. You need to go to Google, Reddit, ChatGPT, whatever. Check a lot of different source, get a lot of information, understand how it works, understand all the information that you need to do. So that's it's not easy. It's doable, but it's not easy to do if you don't know anything about cybersecurity. I have a lot of controls. And one quick note, SOC 2 ISO is not only cybersecurity, it's a little bit more than that, but have, let's say, a lot of documentation that you need to provide to the auditor to get the certification. So that's the reason that you're going to invest a lot of time in writing documents, policies, create a cybersecurity plan, create an incident management plan, create a business continuity plan. So that's, let's say, the first option that you can take it. Option number two um, is super, let's say, simple. Is the another side of spectrum. That means you hire a consultancy. You hire someone to support you to get the SOC 2 ISO. You're going to pay a lot of more money. And generally start for a few thousand of dollars until 20, 25, sorry, can be 10, 20, 25, or even more. Depend of the size of the company, depend of the complex, how complex is your company. A lot of things are going to play a part here. But you can hire a company to do that for you. So they support you. They come, they do all the heavy lift. You need to pay them. They're going to prepare everything, and then you got the certificate and got the audit. And the third way is a little bit something in the middle. So it's not cheap like do it by yourself, and it's not, let's say, so expensive like hire consultancy. Is use some tools like Drata or Vanta that are here in the middle. What they offer, generally, they collect the, let's say, gather the knowledge from the consultancy and make some automations and then provide some solutions for you or some, let's say, step by step that you need to follow to get the certification. Good example, security policies. So doesn't matter any certification, you need to have a security policy. If you do by yourself, you need to go to search for the internet, download some templates, understand a little bit your business, and write a document. If you hire a consultancy, they're going to come, understand what you do, and they're going to write by themselves. And the third, if you use a tool like Data, Vanta Security Frame, for example, we have some templates are well defined that, let's say, works for most of the companies, and then go there and write down and fill the blanks and provide some inputs, and then you got the policy itself. So have those three options. Those tools in generally start with 7 to 8K, and depend on the size of the company, depend on how complex or the number of frameworks. Here in Security Leap, we offer two options. We can do everything for you, or we can buy a tool. We are we are partner with Data Vanta Security Frame, so we can offer for you those licenses. It's a very good price with some discount, easy compared to if you buy from them. So we can provide for you with a very competitive price. Please contact me if you're looking for some license for that. But this you have it. So you can have those three options. Option one is do by yourself, search in the internet, collect information is doable, but it takes more time, 1 or 3 months more for sure. Hire a consultancy, you're going to pay at the least 7 to 10K more, or a little bit more than 10K generally, if you want to do everything for you. And I have something in the middle that is those tools, that is 7K. And the bonus of those tools that I have some automation. So you pay for 1 year license and they do all the automation for you. Notify you if someone create account with no password in some GCP platform, and have some notification policies or documentation that when I have a new hire to go there to sign. So we have those three options. And this is important that you be aware, because that decisions will be a lot of difference in timelines, a lot of difference in how much you're going to pay to your project. And here in Security Leap, we offer some package that help you to get all that you need, simple way, and do it, so you don't need to back and forth millions of times. If you have a questions, concern, let me know, and talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.